Today we're picking Jerusalem Artichokes or Sunchokes. And those are the plants right there, these tall ones. And they're a native variety of sunflower. And they get lots of little sunflowers on them late in the year, September. And they're like 12 feet tall. They're super tall. And we harvest the roots. So they get a starchy root. I've harvested a few. And I've chopped down some of the stalks. You can see I've chopped them down with my hedging shears there. And I'm going to dig in there. And I read somewhere that it's the second most productive food plant in the world. So super easy to grow. I mean, it's a native perennial here in zone 6A actually, in central Pennsylvania. And it spreads. I mean, it's easy to grow. It grows by itself basically. So let's dig up some sunchokes. Here's one. Just, it's like the ground under here is just literally packed with these roots. And look at that. And you cook them just about any way you cook potatoes. And people call them artichokes because they taste a little bit like artichokes when you cook them. This is something the indigenous people ate around here for a long time, and it's kind of forgotten food in a way, but it's making a comeback as people get into homesteading and permaculture and food forests, native plants, and people are finding out about the Sunchokes. And that, you know, I mean, that's just a tiny little area we dug up here. And a huge amount of food. Well, we're just going to keep going here and dig up a bunch of these. That is crazy. Get that. It's just huge amount of food.